Yes, in this video I am going to say subtopics in limits and continuity. That is right and left hand limits. Okay, right and left hand limits. For every limit, see for example, what are the limits? How we are taking them? Open interval a comma b, closed interval a comma b, one open, one closed, and one closed, one open, and for infinity minus infinity to a comma minus infinity to a to plus infinity a to plus infinity. These are the limits, right? If you see left hand side one element and right hand side one element, left hand side one element, right hand side one element, like that. If you take, you are having in each limit you are having two types of limits, right? That is right hand and left hand limit. How we'll identify? How we'll write that? Say for example, limit x tends to a, some f of x is equals to some, take for example 1. This is the limit, right? In this you will have two types. How you can take it as limit x tends to a minus. That means below this is left hand limit. See for example, if you take coordinate axis, for your understanding I am saying this coordinate axis. Okay, say for example this is 0. If you take a here, okay, say for example here you take a plus a. If you go this side, all negative, that means less than a you will get. If you go right side, greater than a you will get. That's why left hand side, as you are moving to left hand side, you will get the a minus, means less than a. Less than a. So here we will take, we will use elements less than a. Okay. Next one is what? Right hand limit. Right hand limit. That how you will indicate limit x tends to a plus, okay, limit x tends to a plus, and this is called as right hand limit. Okay, see this right hand limit is nothing but as you are moving towards right side, the value of a increases. So you take here a plus. Whenever you see a minus, that is left hand side limit. Whenever you see a plus, right hand limit. Okay. For that, how we can give the denote? How we can denote them? Say for example, if you take some m comma n elements. Okay. m comma n elements. How they will be? A less than or equals to m, less than or equals to b. Okay. Understanding, ma? A less than or equal to m less than or equal to b if it is given. This how you can write. Limit x tends to m minus means this will come. Limit x tends to m plus. You will get this limit. Understanding? Understanding, ma? Say for example, let us see one example for that. Some example for that. F of x equal to set of 1 minus x if x less than or equal to 1. 1 plus x if x greater than 1. Okay, if it is given in that way, less than or equal to 1 means below 1. 1 and below 1. Greater than 1 means only above 1. Here 1 is not included. Okay. So for that, now I am finding right hand limit. Right hand limit. How you will find limit? Here it is taken 1, no? X tends to, I am taking first right hand limit. That is 1 plus, because this is greater than 1. X value is greater than 1. So whenever you are taking like that, f of x that equals, here I am taking one arbitrary variable a tends to 0. Okay, and here 1 plus means above 1. So what you can say, 1 plus a. 1 plus a you can take. In the place of x, just I am substituting a. Okay, 1 plus a. Now, that equals, here, what is the given x greater than 1 means, here what is the function specified, 1 plus x. So, in the place of x, you substitute 1 plus a. That equal to limit a tends to 0. 1 plus, in the place of x, 1 plus a. Okay. That equals limit a tends to 0. 1 plus in the place of a, if you put 0, 0 you will get here. Okay. That implies 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2. This is right hand limit. Okay. So what you can write? Limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equals to 2. This is right hand limit. Okay. Now left hand limit. Left hand limit. What is that limit? X tends to, here left hand limit is less than or equal to 1. So x tends to 1 minus. These are below 1. That's why 1 minus. Okay. So f of x that equals limit, here again I am taking one arbitrary constant a, arbitrary variable a tends to 0, and here what you will take here is less than 1. So I can do it as 1 minus a. Why have we took 1 plus a here? This is above 1. Means after the numbers you will get after 1. How you will get it? If you add, you will get the next number of 1. But here why I am writing 1 minus a? This is below. Left 1 minus, that is means below 1. So that's why I am subtracting a from 1. Okay, that means below 1. Next what you will get, that equals limit a tends to 0. What is the less than function given? 1 minus x. So 1 minus, in the place of a substitute 1 minus x. Sorry, in the place of x substitute 1 minus a. 1 minus a. That equals limit a tends to 0. 1 minus 0. that equals 1 minus 1. Cancel, equal to 0. This is how we can write. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x equals to 0. Okay? This is left hand limit. This is right hand limit. Like this we can find the left and right hand limits. Left and right hand limits in limits.